We have all been there. You drop your phone, see that dreaded spiderweb of cracked glass, and panic sets in. Suddenly, that glowing sign at the mall kiosk offering cheap one-hour repairs looks like an absolute lifesaver. But before you hand over your hard-earned cash, you might want to reconsider. Taking the cheapest route could actually end up costing you a brand new phone. To offer those rock-bottom prices, kiosk technicians rarely use original manufacturer parts. Instead, they rely on cheap, bulk-ordered screens that can ruin your phone's performance. You will quickly notice skipped letters when typing, washed-out colors, and frustrating phantom touches. You are basically turning your premium device into a cheap knockoff. Modern smartphones are tightly sealed to keep dust and water out, a crucial step mall kiosks almost always skip. They just glue the new screen in, meaning the next time you are caught in the rain, your motherboard could fry. Plus, rushed technicians often leave out microscopic screws or tear delicate ribbon cables, creating hidden hazards inside your device. Think about what happens right before the repair. The technician asks for your passcode to test the device. You are handing a complete stranger full access to your photos, emails, and banking apps right in the middle of the mall. And that warranty they promised? Good luck claiming it when your cheap screen breaks and the pop-up kiosk has completely vanished. You do not have to pay top dollar at an authorized center, but you should avoid the bottom of the barrel. Look for an established local repair shop with an actual front door, great reviews, and high-quality parts. Paying just a little extra for a reputable repair keeps your device running smoothly and protects your personal data in the long run. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment below, like, and subscribe. Visit us at gwizit.com for more.